this is your 0 and this is your 1. So what I told, that a square if you take, only here 2 will come. So this is 2. And if you multiply again a square into a, then you will see here 3. The value will come, or the entry will be 3 here. So from this symmetry, directly we can say a to the power 2005 is what? It is easily going to go for a to the so a to the power 2005, that will be 0, 2005, 0, 1. This is your answer. This is your a to the power 2005. So finally, x is your a to the power 2005. So we can say x is equals to 0, 2005, 0, 1. This is your final answer. And in the option, this option is given. I hope it's clear. Thank you.